Do you want to know how you can log into your Lifepoint Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Lifepoint Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Now go to the search bar to search for Lifepoint Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Lifepoint Health, which is your Lifepoint Payroll. Now, what you need to do first of all is write down your email address in the first box. After you write down your email address, you can see that it is correct and verified. Now the second step is to write down your password. After you write down your password, click on this eye icon and check your password. Make sure your email address and password is associated with your Lifepoint Payroll account. Then go ahead and click Sign In. So, after you click Sign In, you will be successfully signed in to your Lifepoint Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password or want to update your email address, you can scroll a bit down and you can see under the Change Your Login Information, there are options to reset your password and update your email. So if you have any kind of problems, these links are here for you. And if you are a first-time user, you can click on register or you can go to the step-to-step authentication. So guys, this is how you log into your Lifepoint Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.